YouTube. I hope you tapped in with the review that we did over on the Air Jordan 1 this morning, the green glow. And today, as you guys have noticed, I'm bringing you guys yet again another lace tutorial. And if you like your shoes like you see right here with the lace swap right here, this is the loosey goosey in this one, or if you like it for the bunny lace right here. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to go ahead and lace the 3 ways, the lace tutorial of how you do the Air Jordan 1 green glow. Like you guys have been seeing the last couple of videos I've been doing for my lace tutorials. You guys have been going crazy on it. You guys have been liking it. So I was like, you know what? Let's continue the momentum with the lace tutorial videos. And with that said, let's dive into the lace tutorial over the Air Jordan 1 green glow. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefart. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. It is great to see you guys once again. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, looking at the attire, I had to go ahead and throw on my Nike dry fit today with the Nike hat. And as you can see right here, now I already dropped a video, I want to say early this morning, over the Air Jordan 1 green glow. Full review is up, so go check that out. But as you can see right here, we are going to be doing another lace tutorial video, and the last one you guys have actually been showing lots of love. This is now the 3rd tutorial I've actually done for that, and I'm going to keep the momentum going because you guys have just been showing so much support on them. But if you do want to go ahead and get your laces like you see right here with the bunny lace or the knot lace, then we are going to be showing you exactly how to do that. So before we go straight away into it, I do want to give you guys your love and your support because you guys already know I greatly appreciate you guys with every video that I put out. So let's go straight away into showing you guys the love. Let's get into this. Okay. So first and foremost, let me just go ahead and say, y'all, thank you so much for all the love and the support that you show on the channel. It is greatly appreciated. If you guys don't know, we actually just recently hit 4,500 subscribers. We are 500 subscribers away now from hitting that 5K mark. You know the road this year is 10K, like I keep stating. We're gonna get that to that goal. We're gonna get there because I'm putting a lot of work in, but I just really want to go ahead and just say thank you guys so much, because every video that I do, I would not be able to really do this without you guys. Your guys' support really motivates the kids so much. So thank you so much. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the family that way. And if you are new, let me know. That way I can go ahead and give you a message. Also, if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below. Like I said, you got to engage with the channel. If you're engaging with the channel, you will see all these wonderful people right here. I will put you in and have you be featured like you see, and it's just a way for me to really give back to you guys, because, and like I said, to have 4,500 members in here is so insane. So I always like to go ahead and show my love and support right back to you guys first and foremost. So with all that said, now we are going to be getting into the 3 laces I'll be showing you for the Air Jordan 1 green glow, and let's begin. Okay, so here we go right here. So now this is I want to say maybe this is the 3rd, 4th lace style video that I've done, and you guys really been going crazy on it. So right here, I'm going to be showing you how to do the 3 laces, starting with the very first one, which is the bunny lace. Then second is going to be the loosey goosey lace, and the last but not least is going to be the knot lace. And I will show you exactly how to do it. If you have watched my last tutorials on my laces, I've been taking my time. We're not going to be fast forwarding it. We're just going to be following along. That way you guys can go ahead and see it. And there's many different ways to lace sneakers. I already know there's tons and tons of ways. There's better ways than the ones I'm going to be showing you right here, but these are the ways that I like to do it. And if you like that, you know, leave a like, let me know how it is. And it's just a way for me to go ahead and let you guys know, like, you know, different ways that you can actually lace your sneakers. So with all of that said, let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm gonna be going behind the camera right here, like I said, taking my time with it, and let's begin the lace tutorial. Come on. All right, family, here we go. Starting with the very first lace is the bunny lace. Now, like I said in my last couple tutorials, I don't go ahead and fast forward it because I do want you guys to follow along. I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys. That way you can just go ahead, like I said, follow along. So I always go ahead and take the very 2 laces. I always start from unlacing all of it and till the last lace hole, and I take these 2 right here, and I usually start with the right one. You can start with either one that you want, but I start with the right, and I just feed it in. So for the bunny lace, all you're gonna do, oops, I dropped it, you're just gonna take the first one and you're gonna feed it through the eyelet. Now you're gonna go under, okay? You're going to go under, and Air Jordan 1s are kind of cool because when you put it under, you don't have to do too much like adjusting, because the laces, when you put it through the eyelet, they already kind of just go straight like that. So take the other one and you're gonna feed it through the other eyelet like so. And I'm gonna take my time, guys. You know, we do not rush, no fast forward here. That way you can go ahead and follow along. If you're a beginner, you're trying to learn how to do it, you can just literally follow like I'm doing right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and feed it through all of the eyelets here. And like I said, the reason why it's called the bunny lace is because once we get to the very top eyelet, actually I guess you could say the middle eyelet, which I will show you, we tie it like a bunny ear and we just let it sit. And it's just one of those styles that I like a lot. Probably the main style I use the most when it comes to my Air Jordan 1s. Always make sure when you are going ahead and feeding it through the eyelet, sometimes your laces might go ahead and want to twist up on each other. Just don't let them, like so. Just adjust it and you'll be good. So just keep going, keep going. Take your time, take your time. Adjust it. So now we are actually getting to the point of the the third to last eyelet. And that's when I like to go ahead and stop right there, just because I like the way it looks. So let's come up right there. So as you see right here, we are on this eyelet right here, right? As you can see. So you're just gonna go ahead, you're gonna take it, you're just gonna put it through. You're gonna take the other one, put it through. And it should look like so. Now don't worry about the laces being too long, because you can always go ahead and adjust it. And what I mean by that is, you see all these laces right here, just kind of slowly adjust it to your liking. The looser that it kind of is, the more you'll have to go ahead and work with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it, we're just gonna tie it. Make sure it sits in frame so you can see. Tie it, then you're just gonna tie a regular knot like so. And you're gonna wrap it around the knot, or the bunny ear, excuse me. And you're just gonna tie it like so. And then when you're done, you adjust it like so, and it should look something pretty much like this right here. Then there we go. Right here, as you see right here, see that bunny lace right there? See how it just kind of sits there? And like I said, you can go ahead and adjust it so that way it looks a little bit better for your liking. But you would just adjust it like that. Boom, boom. And then you are good to go. So when you're done with it, it should look pretty much like this. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a on feet perspective, because I do like to go ahead and just show you guys what it looks like on feet rather than just lacing it. And also I may go ahead and adjust this a little bit. That way it has a better look to it. So let's take a look at it right now. Let's go. All right, family, here we go right here. As you can see, I'm rocking the bunny lace. And I think this one looks really good for the Air Jordan 1. Like I said, one of my favorite ones that I use for my Air Jordan 1s. But it's one of those that it didn't take too long to really do. Just take your time with adjusting the laces. And if you can see, I did go ahead and adjust my bunny ear a little bit looser. That way it was making it a little bit smaller. And all you have to do for that, like I said, is just adjusting, taking your time, and you'll get it down, I promise you. Moving on to the next lace is the Loosey Goosey, and here we go. Okay, family, moving on to number 2. This is the Loosey Goosey lace, and as you can see right here, we did go ahead and swap out the laces. If you watched the full-fledged review that I dropped this morning over on the Air Jordan 1 Green Glow, it did come with a set of green glow laces, so we are definitely going to be utilizing this. So all you got to do for this one, I started with taking the laces, as you can see right here, starting from the very beginning. We're going to go under, and this one is, like I said, the Loosey Goosey, so we're just going to be very loose with it and not giving as much slack, and we'll start right now. So all we're gonna do is just follow along, take your time, go under, and you're just gonna feed it in the eyelet right there. Ooh, yes. Now just kind of make sure you don't do a lot of slack. And this lace style, in my opinion, is for people who just really kind of want to have a lazy type of style with it. You know, not really I won't say the best one, but it's just more of, like I said, just a lazy style. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it. Make sure you always adjust your laces. Take your time with it. This is the key when it comes to lacing, taking your time. You don't want to lace it too tight for this one at all. You take your time, you will be fine. So let's go ahead and feed it through the eyelet. Now for this one, you can go all the way up to the last eyelet, but I think I'm gonna try to see how I like it at the third to last eyelet. And let's go ahead and let's do that. See how I'm not making it really too tight right there? I'm just kind of going ahead and giving myself just a good amount of slack, just making it very loose. And then let's go ahead and keep going. Hey, yo, appreciate you guys for all the love and support that you always show. It is seriously appreciated. You guys have been on fire this year. On fire this year, seriously, and I'm working hard because you guys are showing me so much more love and support, so I gotta keep going, like no exaggeration. I gotta keep going. So as we get to the very last one, right, as you can see right here, we do have a lot of excess slack right there, right? And I've seen some people wear it like that, but that's just too much slack for my liking. So we're actually gonna take it and we're gonna go up to the second to last eyelet right there. So I'm gonna take it, see right there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in. And once you get right there, you just let it hang. You just let it hang. And this doesn't look bad at all. And I love the Air Jordan 1 because the Air Jordan 1, the laces like that, I think it's probably the perfect style for the loosey goosey personally, because the laces like that, they just hang like that, like so. Now, when you're done, I know I pushed it a little bit. When you are done, it should look like this. You see how it hangs like that? Not too long, not too short. It's like a perfect length right there. That is the first side, and then you see the other side right here. Definitely, I know a lot of people wear their Air Jordan 1s like this. So if you're one of the person that's kind of interested in this, then this lace style might be for you. But we're gonna go ahead and show you guys an on-feet look real quick. That way you can see exactly how it looks on the toe. Let's go. Okay, YouTube family. So this is the loosey goosey, and I'm gonna be real with you. Like I stated, a lot of people that I know wear their Air Jordan 1s just like this with this lace style. Definitely one that is a little bit different for sure, and it's one that I think it really complements the Air Jordan 1 when you wear your laces like this. But like I said, you don't have to go too crazy on it. Just adjust your laces and make them really loose. You don't have to give it too much slack as if you were to do like the bunny lace, and I think it does look pretty good on feet, kind of for those that messy look, kind of like that casual, I don't really care look, you know, the style your ones. And I think this is a nice one. I definitely do. Now moving on to the third and final lace. This is the knot lace, and here we go. All right, guys, so this is the third and final lace. This is the knot lace, and the only thing different that we're going to be doing here is just, rather than doing under with your lace through the eyelet, we're actually going to be doing overs. So it's not going to be too hard. I'll be showing you how to do it. We're going to take our time, follow along, and here we go. So we're going to take the eyelet right here. I always start with my right one. Feel free to start with whichever one you feel, and we're just going to go under. So take it, and we're going to go under like you see right here, and just make sure you just adjust your laces as you go. So as you see right here, my lace kind of went ahead and it's getting a little tangled right there. Just adjust it, and boom. Moving on to the next one, same thing. Take it, feed it through, and adjust. And we're just gonna go ahead and keep rinsing and repeating the whole time. Hey yo, let me know, did you guys go ahead and grab the Air Jordan 1 green glow? It's so crazy to me how much the Jordan brand plays around with these colors. They remind me so much of the Igloo. Literally just change this to white and boom, there you go, right there. I think this is a really great summer sneaker in my honest opinion. It looks really, really good. I think that a lot of people are waiting for it to really go ahead and just dip in price. I mean, I get it, with so many sneakers coming out, you just can't keep paying those high prices, but I'm already seeing price points on this go ahead and dip. I actually saw, I think somewhere, I think if I'm not mistaken, DTLR had them for like 152. So definitely go ahead and check that out if you are waiting for these things to dip. because I think it will be very, very soon, because yeah, no one's just trying to pay them 180 price points. Like it's crazy. It is really crazy, but I like bringing these reviews for you guys. So as we are slowly making our way up to the ladder right here, we're gonna go ahead and keep on lacing right there. Let's keep lacing. Boom, boom, boom. So we're gonna go ahead. I want to do this at the third eyelet. That way I kind of can work with it more, and I'll show you what I mean. So when you get to the third eyelet right here, right? So as you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can either go ahead and go to the second one or the third one. It's totally on you. I usually go to the third one and then just kind of feed it through. If it will go in. All right, put it in there and then take it. All right, just adjust that and then boom. I think that's gonna be the perfect length actually. So take it and then feed it through like that. So as you feed it through, all you're gonna do right now is you're gonna take it, line up your eyelet, right? Just take it. You're gonna just wrap it around your finger like you see. With this finger, you're gonna go ahead and create a hole, and then you're gonna take the laces right here and you're gonna press down on it, and you're just going to pretty much just adjust. But when you would do the adjusting though, you want to make sure it looks kind of good though, like, you know, like so. Just adjust, and you want to slide it down as well, and boom, like a knot, like so. And when you're done, it should look like this, which is actually a very perfect one in my honest opinion. Looks really good. So there we go, right there. That is the knot lace. I will do it one more time, that way you guys can get a better visual on it. So you just take it, you wrap it around 2 fingers, you create a hole. You see that hole I'm creating right here? Create it, you pull it, take like 2 fingers, you pinch it, and then you just kind of like adjust it while you're sliding it down. And boom, right there. There it goes, right there, the knot lace, guys. And I actually kind of like this one too. This is a good one. I love this one just for a different, unique type of style to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on feet, that way you guys can get a better perspective and not hear me chat as much. So here we go, right here. Let's go. And here we go, right here, guys. This is the third and final lace. We got the knot lace that we're currently rocking right now, and I think it actually looks really good, in my opinion, especially when you go ahead and you adjust it to the liking that you want. I know a lot of you guys were telling me that in the last video, you actually really liked how I went ahead and I explained how I actually tie the knot. If you're struggling with that, it's not really hard at all. Just go back and watch the video. Slow it down if you want to, but once you just go ahead and you make that small hole, and then you go ahead and you put the lace through it, it will be easier to adjust for you. If you have any more questions, definitely go ahead and comment down below and let me know. So let's go ahead and finish the rest of the video off, guys. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this was the 3 ways of how to style the Air Jordan 1 in the green glow colorway. Now let me know what was your favorite lace for this tutorial. I honestly, for me personally, just because I like to throw in my favorite one, I'm going with the bunny lace, and I just like the way the adjustment of how I did it looks on it, and especially this is the main one that I always usually go with when it comes to Air Jordan 1s. But coming in at a very close second is the knot lace, definitely. I just think it looks really good, but the bunny lace was my favorite. So let me know how you feel down below, and if you do go ahead and you have any more laces tutorials that you want to go ahead and see, or you have any more opinions down below, let me know, because you know your guys' comments are greatly appreciated. So this has been your boy, this has been your kid, Neff, right? Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. I seriously appreciate you guys all for all the love and support that you show. There will be more lace tutorials coming up. My goal is to honestly try to go ahead and every time I do a review, I'll try to drop a lace style with it as well. That way you guys can just see how it looks. But I love you guys a whole bunch, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, y'all.